As a Nigerian in diaspora, have you seen this video?
If you live outside Nigeria as a Nigerian, this is for you. The Central Bank of Nigeria has launched an account for you to save and invest in Nigeria. The circular reads Introduction of Non-Resident Nigerian Ordinary Account and Non-Resident Nigerian Investment Account. Number one, the non-resident ordinary account is just like your ordinary savings accounts that you can use to, pay house bills, transfer money to your parents, just a regular account. The non-resident investment account is for you to invest your money, buy bonds, invest in assets in Nigeria, and you can have a Naira account and a foreign account. But how does this work? Well, calm down. Let me explain. For you to be able to open this account, you need a valid Nigerian passport or an expired Nigerian passport may be accepted, accompanied with a foreign passport or residence permit / proof of residency. If you don't have that, you can have a valid foreign passport and evidence of a Nigerian citizenship of either parent may be provided. The documents you need proof of residency such as utility bill, and it must be in the investor's name. This is for the investment account. Additional document like tax payment receipts or bank statement to verify your proof of income. For those living in the United States, you need the IRS FATCA form. For proof of employment, you need your salary slip or bank statement or tax receipt. For self-employed, you need business registration documents, your bank account or tax receipts. Also, digital platforms will be used to create NRBVN, that's non-resident BVN. Also, digital platforms will be used to create a non-resident BVN. For those outside Nigeria that don't have BVN, the NIBSS will be creating a non-resident BVN for you. This is very important. The foreign currency balance held in the ordinary account, the non-resident ordinary account, or the non-resident investment account can be freely repatriated without restriction. So anytime you need the balance in any of those accounts, you can send it back to the country where you live. Why is the CBN doing this? I'm sure you must have seen the data on what the diaspora did in Lagos this December. One of Nigeria's biggest strengths right now is the diaspora community. That's what's helping the Naira. So the government is looking for ways to integrate them into the Nigerian economy, where they can invest, save their money from living abroad. And mind you, this is for a lot of people that have never been to Nigeria, have Nigerian names, but want to be part of what is happening in Nigeria, open an account and invest in Nigeria. Will this bring more dollars into Nigeria to stabilize the Naira? We wait and see. So to all my brothers and sisters living in diaspora, you can now open your account.
These two accounts, the non-residential Nigeria Ordinary Account and the non-resident Nigerian Investment Account, are going to be game changers because they come with plenty benefits. I'm sure a lot of us can still remember how much was pumped into the system by Nigerians in diaspora just last December here in Lagos. Now imagine when Nigerians in diaspora now have it super easy, especially when they have an easy access to the financial industry, or instead of trying to send money through one uncle or auntie, they have the direct access to do all of that themselves. Some of the benefits is they get easy access to the financial industry. Number two, now they have the ability to invest in the Nigerian real estate market and other assets without breaking a sweat. Number three, now there's more flexibility in managing their finances and investments remotely. Now they have more opportunity to diversify. They can play around their portfolio. It is going to have a spiral effect on the entire real estate market and the economy as a whole, because we are looking at increased foreign investment, we are looking at improved liquidity, we are looking at job creation, we are looking at economic growth. This is an incredible news, considering that just few days ago we found out that the real estate market is now the third largest sector in Nigeria, now outranking the oil and gas sector. So if you're in Nigerian diaspora still holding back, still thinking about investing in Nigeria, trust me, this is the time to be excited. This is the time to take advantage of um, policies that embrace growth, policies that make it super easy for you to make money from the Nigerian real estate market, because there's nowhere in the world that you will make the type of returns that others are making in the Nigerian real estate market. And if you want to get an up-to-date news like this, just like I'm giving to you, like if you are looking for an up-to-date news back to back as the auto bono feli, Mr. Property, the property as it's dropping, you are getting it here first. So if you're not following Mr. Property, the property, then you are missing out. You are going to get news, real estate information that will help you make informed real-time decisions, so that you are once you are well informed, you are making decisions way ahead of those that are just hearing about it. So tell your family and friends, follow Mr. Property, the property, on all platforms. I am excited about this news. If you are excited, if you are equally excited, let me know in the comment section by typing excited, because in the Nigerian real estate market, we have never had it better. So if you're holding back, this is an opportunity for you to jump on the goodies being poured out by the Nigerian real estate market. Mr. Property, the property, I will see you in my next video. Pumba!